In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in WordPress without using a plugin. Now, if you're running a WordPress site, switching to HTTPS is an essential step to ensure your website is secure and trustworthy. HTTPS encrypts the data exchanged between your site and its visitors, protecting sensitive information and boosting your site's credibility. The good news is you don't need to use any plugins to make this change. It's simple and straightforward to do directly from your WordPress settings. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. That's www.wordpress.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. This will take you to the login page where you'll see multiple ways to access your account. For this tutorial, we're going to log in using the Continue with Google option. Go ahead and click on that button. Using your Google account is not only faster, but it also adds an extra layer of security since Google's authentication system protects your credentials. After clicking the button, you'll be prompted to select your Google account from a list. Choose the account associated with your WordPress site and you'll be logged in immediately. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, it's time to navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this in the left-hand menu. Look for the Settings option and click on it. This will bring up a variety of configuration options for your website. Now, within the Settings area, locate the field labeled Site Address. This is where your site's URL is displayed. You'll likely see that it starts with HTTP to enhance your website's security. You'll want to change this to HTTPS. Simply edit the URL by replacing HTTP with HTTPS at the beginning of the address. By making this change, you're ensuring that all data exchanged between your website and its visitors is encrypted. This not only protects sensitive information, but also helps build trust with your users. However, before you proceed, there's an important step to double check. Make sure that your WordPress site is using a custom domain. Without a custom domain, WordPress restricts URL modifications like this to maintain security. If you don't have a custom domain, you won't be able to complete this process. So take a moment to verify this before saving your changes. Once you've confirmed that you have a custom domain, go ahead and save the changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page and click on it. WordPress will now update your site address to use the HTTPS protocol. To confirm everything is working correctly, open a new browser tab and visit your website. Check the address bar of your browser. You should see a small padlock icon next to your site's URL, indicating that it's now secured with HTTPS. If the padlock is there, congratulations, you've successfully redirected your site from HTTP to HTTPS. So, there you have it. You've learned how to switch your WordPress site to HTTPS without using any plugins. Not only does this improve your site's security, but it also enhances user trust and overall performance. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.